Hey, my name is Macy Brown, and this assignment is called Mini Intervention. This is the overview for the mini intervention and the topics that I'll hit throughout the intervention. First topic is present level of performance. I have two students that I will talk about throughout this performance, but due to confidentiality, I will not share their name. They are referred to as Student 1 and Student 2. Student 1, his IQ is low to average, and his behavior affects his academic performance. Student 2, IQ is average, and he performs well in both behavior and academics. Student characteristics. Student 1 loves video games, loves to talk about blood, gore, and guns. When it comes to schoolwork, though, he's very unmotivated. Student 2 loves to give hugs, waves to everyone, and smiles. He has autism, does not like loud noises. He moves his hands when he's anxious, and he walks around the class when he's anxious. Academic or behavior goal. Student 1, we focused on behavior for him. The behavior goal for Student 1 was to stay on task and complete the activities. Student 2, his goal was academics. The academic goal for Student 2 was to be able to understand the difference between denotation and connotation so that the activity can be completed without him getting frustrated or without him struggling. Academic or behavior baseline. Student 1 is very low in his academics due to his behavior. He does not like being told what to do, and he does not do any of his work. Even when he does try, sometimes he gives up if it's not perfect and if it is wrong. Student 2 is average in his academics. When he does not understand something being taught, he will ask for help, and he does complete all of his work. Teaching effectiveness. I needed better examples on connotation that were developmentally appropriate for 7th and 8th graders. The connotation examples that I had, I felt like they were too far above their ZDP. I wish I had ones that 7th and 8th graders, words that they use on a daily basis. I need to be more explicit in my transitioning my thoughts into words. This is my lesson plan. What all students will learn is the difference between denotation and connotation. What most students will learn is denotation is the definition of a word, and what some students will learn is that connotation, some words make you feel a certain way, is what connotation is. This is my data collection from my lesson plan, and they were supposed to draw a story and make of their own connotation, or they could use the connotation examples that I had in class, that we went over in class. Describe the lesson plan. We went over the difference between denotation and connotation. I gave them examples of connotations, and these are the examples that I gave. And the activities were character building and comic strips. Describe the lesson plan outcomes. So, what I felt like the students got from the lesson was that some words are positive and some are negative. Some words make you feel good and some words make you feel bad, is what they got from that lesson, which is good because, words are powerful and they can be very hurtful if you're not aware of the words that you're using. Also, they did understand what a denotation was, and only one student understood the connotation of a word because he came up with his own connotation in the comic strip, which was hide and vanish, and he also put which one was a negative connotation, and he also put what was a positive connotation. So that was really impressive. So thank you very much.